Welcome to our tutorial on how to find your extension permissions in Chrome. Today, we'll guide you through the simple steps to locate the permissions of an extension on your PC. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Chrome by clicking on its icon. Step 2. Look for the More button at the top right corner of your browser window. It's represented by 3 vertical dots. Click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. Step 3. Hover your cursor over Extensions in the menu. This will open a submenu. Step 4. From the submenu, select Manage Extensions. You will be taken to a page where you can see all your installed extensions. Step 5. Find the extension you're interested in and click on Details next to it. This will open the Extensions Details page. Step 6. On the Details page, navigate to the Permissions section. Here, you will find the specific permissions that the extension has been granted. And that's it. You've successfully found the extension permissions in Chrome. It's that simple. Thank you for watching our tutorial. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tricks. Happy browsing.